Welcome to this channel, and this video is about how to make your TikTok account private. Now, if you want to grow and succeed on TikTok and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's now see how to make your TikTok account private. And on your profile, you need to come to this top right corner and click this 3-line menu. And on this pop-up screen below here, you need to click this option, settings and privacy, to have this next screen. And on this screen, you need to come to this account section and click this privacy option. And on this next screen, you need to come to this discoverability section and turn on this toggle button to make your account private. And with a private account, you will be able to approve users who want to follow you and watch your videos. And still on this privacy screen, you can come below here and make other settings on all these options, including direct messages, blocked accounts, mentions, and tags. For instance, you can make your liked videos private by selecting Only Me on this screen. You can also keep this private views option off if you don't want people to know that you viewed their profiles. Now, this is how other users will see your profile after making it private, as well as your liked videos. And to make your account public again, you just need to turn off this toggle button. And with a public account, anyone can follow you, watch your videos, answer your questions, and perform other things like duet and stitch, depending on your other settings. And this is like everything for this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos.